Wait, yeah, it's working.
It's probably funny.
Warning, you can die from this. Just breathe through your nose and you won't die. Wait, who's counting how many we put in our mouth? How many did you put in your mouth? Ew. Oh my gosh. Ew. Ew.
Put about 6 in there.
Okay. You want me to stop it?
No, hold on.
Are you eating them? I hope no one walks in on us. I'm not allowed to do this. Ew, look at that.
Am I done now?
I guess.
I can't fit any more in my mouth.
Okay.
Okay.
Do they taste good?
It tastes like marshmallows.
What do marshmallows taste like? I've never had one.
Okay, turn it off. Your turn.